Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to upload over 80 photos on Facebook. But before we dive into that, make sure to check out the exciting offer below this video. Let's get started. So, you might be wondering if it's possible to upload more than 80 photos at once on Facebook. The answer is yes, but there's a little workaround involved. Currently, Facebook doesn't allow you to upload 80 photos directly into a post. Instead, you can use Facebook's album feature to achieve this. I'll walk you through the steps to create an album and upload your photos. First, go to facebook.com and log into your account. Once you're logged in, head to your profile in the top left corner of your screen. Then, click on the option that says Create Album. Next, you'll be taken to your Photos section, where you'll see options like Your Photos and Albums. Click on Albums and then click the Create Album button. This will allow you to start uploading your photos. You'll need to give your album a name, so type the desired title in the album name field. Now, under the privacy settings, you can choose who will be able to see your album. You can select friends to restrict it to your friends or public if you want everyone to view it. If you want to keep the album private, select Only Me. Once the album is set up, you can begin uploading your photos. You have two options. You can either click on the Upload Photos button or simply drag and drop your photos into the album window. Once you drag your photos in, they'll be uploaded to the album. You also have the option to add a description, specify a location, and even edit the date for each photo if needed. After everything is uploaded, click Post to share the album with your chosen audience. You can upload up to 1,000 photos in a single album. So this is a great option for those looking to share a large collection. In order to upload more than 80 photos at once, the album method is the way to go. Once your album is posted, you can share it with your friends, or it will automatically be shared based on your privacy settings. For example, if you set the album visibility to Only Me, it will remain private and won't be visible on your profile. That's all there is to it. You've successfully uploaded your photos in bulk using Facebook albums. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below.